Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make all of the things that you would probably need in a bathroom. So I have this mirror sink with a mirror on it. I have a bathtub. And I also have a toilet. The toilet isn't that great, but I didn't really have the right supplies, so I just used anything that I had. Let's get started. So these are the pieces that you will be needing to make the sink. You will be needing this 6-knob piece, this mirror, these two 2-knob pieces, and this single clear piece. So now we are going to start. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to take our 6-knob piece, and also we're going to take our 2-knob pieces. And then we are going to put them just on either side like this, as we'd usually make a table. Now, when we have this table, we are going to put this the mirror right over here, just in the corner, so it should look like this, and there should be 4 little knobs over here. Now we are going to take our clear piece, and we are going to just stick it next to the mirror, and that's your standing sink. So these are all the pieces that you will be needing to make the bathtub. And the bathtub is really simple, just like the standing sink. So you will be needing these 4 knob pieces. Just to let you know, I'm not sure what the name of the Lego pieces are, so I'm just going to call them by what I call them. And then you also need these 2 single pieces, but you can actually have a 2-knob piece, but as I don't have any more of these white ones, I'm just going to use these 2. And then you'll need like 4 of them. So now you will also be needing 2 platforms, not big ones, just some small regular ones. And also a red transparent button and a blue transparent button. Single Lego piece as well. And then you will also be needing these 2 little knob pieces as well as a thin little piece like this, a thin black piece, thin 2-knob black piece. So let's get started. So when you're going to start your bathtub, you're going to take your 2 platforms, and with these platforms you're just going to squeeze them together like this. And you're not going to work this way, we're actually going to work this way, but it doesn't really matter. All that matters is that the bath is going to be more of a bigger rectangle than a wider rectangle. So you're just going to put them together, and then you're going to take 2 of your 4-knob pieces, and as you can see, there should be 2 knobs over here, 2 knobs over here. You're actually going to put them together to secure them, and you're going to do that on both sides like that, and then squish them down for more secureness. And then you're going to do the same thing like this, just over here. Then you're going to squish them down for more secureness. Okay, so now you're going to take all of your 2-knob pieces, or your 3 2-knob pieces and your 2 1 pieces, and you're going to put them on each side. So some over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. And then squish them down for more secureness. And then you have the base of your bathtub. Now we're going to add the buttons and more details to it. So we're going to add this black thin piece, and we're just going to put it right over here. push it down for more secureness. And now you're gonna take your 2 regular buttons and you're just gonna stick them. Well, I like to stick them over here on this back piece, but you can stick it over here on these 2 bits here. Just pretend that these are these pieces. Here. And then I'm gonna do this like this. So I'm just gonna stick this one over here and then this one over here. And then that is your bath complete. Now for everyone's favorite bit, the toilet. So this is how to make the toilet. So first you will be needing your 6 knob piece, putting it down over here. And then I took 2 thin white pieces and put them one on top of the other to get not this kind but a bit thinner. So that's just for the next bit, but this bit is just before that bit. So you're going to take your 2 single ones and there should be 2 holes over here. You're just going to stick them on those holes. Make sure it's those holes so it should look like this. So that's how the toilet will stand. You wouldn't want to start falling off the toilet. So now we are going to take our two knob pieces, both different sizes, and we're going to put it one on top of the other so it's long. And then you're just going to stick it at the back like this. But obviously you'll need somewhere to sit. So we're going to take this little rim piece and just put it over here, and you won't want to keep your stuff inside the toilet, so you can add a button, any color. I'm going to use grey, and then that's your toilet complete. I'm sorry if it doesn't look that great, but I guess it does look a bit like a toilet. So okay guys, so we have finished all of the different things that you would probably want inside a toilet. So these are all of our creations. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you could create all of these things and put them maybe if you're creating a house. See you next time. Bye.